Are you looking for the best cosmetic storage holder in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cosmetic storage holder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Decozen Makeup Organizer Storage for Makeup. This means a perfect makeup organizer that is so durable and reliable. It should be built using a high-quality substance. This organizer enables you to quickly and securely store all the makeup. You could choose one layer for contours, different for concealers, eyeliners, eyeshadows, lipsticks amongst others. You could now easily control your makeup. At number 4, Ogrmar Adjustable 360-Degree Rotating Makeup Organizer. Omar Adjustable Organizer Cosmetics Transparent is among the best parts that excellently organize one's makeup in position, making it simple to store and retrieve every type of makeup at every given time. This has 7 layers of adjustable trays for proper alignment and separation on your makeup and jewelry. Every trays is designed with special smooth transparent material padding that assists to enhance the organized storage of makeup and jewelry. At number 3, RoLeDo Cosmetic Makeup Holder Jewelry, Accessories Storage Case Display. RoLeDo Cosmetic Accessories Organizer Countertop enhances secure storage and management of one's cosmetics and jewelry. It owns completely removable drawers which slide out smoothly and easily, which get the organizer the user-friendly as both come. It highlights black mesh padding that's lightweight and easy to switch, a mesh which you would find to obtain extra reliable than fixed versions. At number 2, Decosin Cylindrical Makeup Organizer and Storage. This kind of organizer owns one drawer 5-slot for nail polish of adjustable compartments to support both makeup products and other jewelry. Its rotating design makes this easier to get every output you need in seconds. Hey, one does not want to mean stressing on a missing lipstick while becoming ready this morning, best? At number 1, QingSong 360-Degree Rotating Makeup Organizer. The product is capable to rotate at 360 degrees silently. That will enable one to identify this type concerning makeup which requires many more as the design that would match every decoration. Moreover, it holds 6 different adjustable layers that could well accommodate these different cosmetics. This top could be used on nail clippers and brushes. The extra middle layer could be used for skin products. Very important is that trays are durable to bear that weight exerted on them. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.